Here's the app called LooksMax AI, get your rating. So let's just tap to install it and let's see how it looks like. So yeah, this app for a while was really in the top charts of the all categories in the US App Store. Now it's only in the lifestyle category, but still a pretty cool idea. Uh, So yeah, become a chat with LooksMax, get your rating and become more attractive with LooksMax AI. How it works? You just need to upload your photos or selfies. LooksMax AI will then analyze your traits and get your results and personalized advice. Become the best man you can be and start your LooksMax journey today. LooksMax AI is your personalized AI coach to help you on the journey to becoming more attractive and healthy. We uphold the belief that everyone merits self-confidence, yet achieving it requires dedication. We are committed to equipping you with the essential tools and insights to embark on your journey of self-improvement. So yeah, just open it up and then let's take a look how it looks like. So take a selfie and get your result. You can enable notifications. And then you can also get invite code. So now finally you can just upload a selfie to get your result. Upload from library. So for example, I can just upload from my selfies, which ones I have. So for example, here I have, oopsie, all right, so that's not how it works. So it's just selfie, whatever selfie I have. All right, so just tap next. And then, all right, so now I need to take a side selfie. So here, let's just and then it will just look like that. And then invite friends to or get LooksMax Pro to view results. And then you can also just invite friends. So that's how you can share your invite code. So here you can just feel free to use my code, but anyhow, maybe I will just try the Max Pro just to reveal your results, or you can just redeem the invite code. So here's my invite code, feel free to use it. Or if you wanna redeem invite code, that's where you can have it like that. But anyhow, that's how you started. Like if you wanna upgrade to LooksMax Pro, then it's like $4 per week, and then you will have your results. Also, there are Discord community, and then you have all the settings. You can share it if you wanna share it. That's where you can just share it, but this is not invite code, this is other way. And then privacy policy, you can always reach out to support, hey LooksMax AI. So yep, something like that. So this is kind of one of those like popular AI apps. I don't know how much precise is it, and don't take these results too personal, because AI is just it's still in the process. It's not yet in the phase where it reached the full capacity. I mean, the AI is not like fully like 100% truth, and there are a lot of bugs and mistakes in all these AI models yet, but this can be a nice direction. So yeah, if you want